Hello people, so this is my second video of the day and I'm recording this video because yesterday I missed out on recording a video. So I always have this policy that you should just one video a day is important. And yesterday I went in, I got myself this Kajal L18 eye drama it's called. In fact, not yesterday, I picked it up easily a week ago, but I used it today for the first time. And I have to say, people, that since they say it lasts all day, it's smudge proof and waterproof, I can literally see the difference. It is and I'm wondering whether to say it. No, it's 140 bucks, but on a discount offer you get it for 90. I know it's like the most important information you need in a day, but seriously, I felt really happy about this because normally L18 products I kind of avoid because I've not found them to be of I mean, especially the nail polish isn't that great, but this kajal of L18 is good. In fact, I think it's one of the best kajals I've used so far. Earlier I had spoken about Himalaya kajal being good, but people, that feels nice to apply, but that smudges really badly, and then what's the point when you have like a kajal smeared face? But this way, this is very neat, so I really like it. I would highly recommend L18 eye drama. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.